And the kids down the slide. Yay! Cool suite. Here we are at the Ultimate Family Suite. Room 156 on the spectrum. Alright. Okay. Here we go, this amazing room. They left us an incredible spread of all sorts of snacks and fruit and sushi and all sorts of stuff. And we have an air hockey table and a slide in our room. It's fantastic. And a big old living room. We already threw our backpacks down in here before we went to grab food. And we have a big old balcony. And you can see to the upstairs to the main bedroom, which is up there, and also the entrance to the slide down. And then back here are 2 bedrooms. We have this cool little fireplace in the wall. Really neat. Here's a little half bath in case we didn't have enough of them around here, which we do. It's huge. Just a toilet and a sink. And a whole theater room. Popcorn machine, drinks, whole bunch of seating. There's only 4 of us, so that won't help us, but we still can choose a seat. This is the first bedroom downstairs with its own ensuite bathroom, which is a pretty decent size for a cruise ship. This will be one of the kids. I think this Reagan chose this room. So you have this really nice big room, big TV. Whole lot of closet space back here. Little desk area. Sitting area. And then more balcony space out here. And there is a hot tub down here somewhere in that back corner, which we can see from Reagan's window right here. There's a hot tub out there. That is super fun. And then we're gonna go out of this first bedroom and get back in the theater room into the second bedroom downstairs with a big sitting area, a little mini bar area, a desk, more balcony entrance, big old bed, and it has a bunch of closet space and its own ensuite bathroom. So cool. And then we'll come back out here to the main, back to the cinema. And then back here, the kitchen. And then up the piano stairs. Are you sleeping? How cool is that? Very cool. Every time you take a step, it plays a song. And there's Davy going down the slide. Oh, he sounded like he got stuck. There he is on the other side. And up here at the top of the stairs, there's a little bunk bed. Our kids aren't going to stay here. They're going to have their own rooms downstairs because that's what they chose. This is a little walkway over to the master bedroom bathroom. But we're going to take this other direction in to get to the master bedroom. And there's some closet space here. And some more closet space behind the door. And right here. This door is a fire escape door, so we won't mess with that because we're not trying to cause any problems here. And this is the master bedroom. The tiny little desk over here. And so that's the full master bedroom that we just came into. It's not as big as the downstairs rooms, crazy enough. And then we go over here. These cool little guitar pick spots. And into the master bathroom. This door is heavy. And this master bathroom is everything. It's amazing. It has a big double vanity. It is huge, like cavernous huge. And it has, well, separate toilet and the coolest shower I ever saw. Literally ever saw. With all of these amazing little jets. And it is just ginormous. And I think the kids want to move in to this place forever because it is awesome. Oh, and there's like a whole little area back here. A dressing area. It's amazing. It's literally amazing. The shower is what dreams are made of. All right, so I think that's about all. And that is our really, really awesome room. And the kids down the slide. Yay! Cool, cool, sweet.